Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic tool that every woodworking enthusiast needs in their toolbox. Introducing the Square Angle Ruler Adjustable Combination Spirit Level Ruler Stainless Steel Angle Square Protractor Woodworking Measuring Tool. This incredible tool is a must-have for anyone who loves woodworking. It is made with high-quality aluminum alloy, precision processed with laser technology, and integrally formed to prevent rust and deformation. The corner base is also made of aluminum alloy, allowing for multi-directional measurement. The ruler body is thick and sturdy, measuring at 5 mm in thickness, making it resistant to falling and wear. Not only can it measure at 45 and 90-degree angles, but it also has a spirit level for added accuracy. This versatile tool is perfect for woodworking measurements and is an essential addition to any craftsman's collection. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned professional, this tool will elevate your woodworking projects to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Take your woodworking game to the next level and get your hands on the Square Angle Ruler Adjustable Combination Spirit Level Ruler today. Check the link in the description to purchase this amazing tool. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your woodworking experience. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tools and tips. Thank you for watching.